Hello friends, this is drawing lesson 3. Again, if you don't need the audio recording of me reading it to you, you are more than welcome to just go to the last page of my virtual classroom in the materials section and pull up the PowerPoint from there. Today we're going to learn about unifying shapes and lines. Reserve the beginning part of a drawing for unifying lines and shapes. Beginning artists often work piecemeal, starting carefully at one area of the page and figuring it out as they move along. They have no plan or map to provide an overall structure to the piece. In William Blake's Christ as the Redeemer of Man, he has based his composition on the circle, whose geometry has been used to symbolize God because it has neither beginning nor end. The central figures are flanked by upside-down figures that arch around them on both sides, forming a circle. Circles imply perfect unity and are often used in art to reconcile diverse parts of a picture into a harmonious relationship. Mark the parameters of the drawing on the page. This can help you remember to work the whole drawing simultaneously. Identify what you are working toward and make every line count. Focus on general structural issues first. Keep your lines as broad and long as possible, setting the entire scaffolding first before focusing on nuances. Once you start drawing, you are shaped by it as much as it is shaped by you. The spiral is synonymous with growth and movement in nature. Here it is found in the tip of a shell. The spiral is implied in many romantic pieces of art, especially those interested in capturing emotion and movement. In this drawing, the Baroque master of motion and drama is predominantly known for his monumental figure work. In this more intimate portrait, he implies a spiral as our eyes are led through the hand toward her face. So you can see that it's an implied spiral, not a drawn one. Practice creating a map and marking the parameters of the page by recreating this drawing. I'm not looking for a perfect, beautiful picture. This is only the second class. I want to see a spiral that takes up the entire page and is spread out evenly. Work the entire drawing around that spiral. This will help you achieve the correct spacing and proportions in your drawing. Here's an example. So you would do the spiral first, and then you would work your entire drawing around the spiral. You're thinking of the spiral as a map, okay? You're using the spiral to map out your drawing and make sure all your proportions are correct and in the right place.